straight away from the fridge. Guess what I'm holding? Okay, enough of the guess. I'll tell you what it is. It's a cheesecake, Biscoff cheesecake. Now come, let me show you how to do it. What I use for this cheesecake is Biscoff. I used Aldi brand and also Rich Tea Aldi brand. Poured everything in my food processor and blend it to a sandy form, just like you see so. Pour it in a bowl, added some sugar, then stir to incorporate properly. Now what I'm adding is melted butter. So the purpose of adding melted butter is to bring it together. When I mean bring it together, not to achieve a sticky kind of paste, but I'm looking at achieving something like what I'm about to show you. So when I pour it in the pan, yeah, it will be easy for me to, lay all around. You will see what I'm talking about after this process. Now what I'm doing is, spreading and laying it equally on the baking pan, then in the oven for 15 minutes. Time to make my topping. So I'm using double cream instead of cheese cream, okay? Because that's what I have anywhere at home. I then added sugar, then stir very well, then a little bit of vanilla. Whisking is the order of the day. Because of the quantity of cheesecake I'm making, I'm just using just one egg. The egg was added bit by bit if you noticed it, and I continued my whisking. So what I'm adding now is Biscoff spread Aldi brand. I think Aldi brands, are really, really good. Anyway, while I'm whisking, I'll tell you what happened to me today. So on my way back from work, I stopped in one of the shop to get bread. And when I got to the till, I couldn't find my credit card. It was really embarrassing. I'll tell you more about what happened to me at the shop. But for now, let's talk about the cheesecake. So that's the topping all done. And I got out my cheese base from my oven and I've topped everything up. You can see that I'm trying to level that. There's something I also did. You see, I'm using a foil, right? So what I did was to wrap the foil around. I think I saw that online on YouTube. It will help not to break your cheesecake. So what I did was to double wrap it with my foil and then put it in hot water. Okay, some of you might not understand what I mean. When I mean hot water, I'm not pouring hot water inside the cheesecake. Rather, I poured hot water into my roasting pan. Okay, you can see that this cheesecake pan is already wrapped in foil. I will then move this cheese cake pan into my roasting pan, just like you can see me do so. This process will help the cheesecake not to crack. Now, back to the story of me not able to locate my credit card after buying bread. Oh my word, it was really embarrassing. Anyways, I was so lucky I had my debit card with me, so I had to pay with that. Went to the car, and guess what? The credit card was just sitting on the passenger side. Hey, my life. Too much thinking. Now the cheesecake goes into the fridge for 24 hours. 24 hours later, my cheese is ready and it looks amazing. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, comment, and also subscribe to my channel. See you in my next one. Bye.